Hello and welcome to this new video. In this one we are going to continue our work defined in the previous one. If you remember, we have had placed a new foundation family in our foundation level. So now what is happening that in my foundation level I cannot see this family that I have already clicked and I have already import here. So what is the problem? The problem is here. If you remember, if I am in a blank space, if I click into one space that is empty, in the left part I have the properties of the view. Which view is this? The level floor plan. And which is the level? The foundation level. So I have the properties of this level, of this view. So I will go to range of view, that it's let's go here, foundation, view range, this one, I will click in edit. So why I'm not seeing this family? Because it's already there, and this is my plan, this is my foundation level, and I am seeing the infrastructure from the top to the down. Why I'm not seeing this one? Because the range of view is defined in a wrong way. So let's see what we can do. I will click in view range, and we have different elements: the top, the cut plane, the bottom, and the level. So I am going to define in different colors all of these elements. So in this one I will define in blue the level, because every single view, as you can see, those views, they have already, or they have always linked a level. So in this one they are linked to the foundation level. This is my level, foundation level. I will click in yellow. Yellow, what is? It will be the top and the bottom. What is this? They are like the maximum or the minimum level, or the minimum distance in which we can move another one. Which is the thing that we can move around, or to the top of the maximum or to the bottom of the minimum, is the cutting plane. This one. This is my cutting plane. This one. So I can move this to the maximum and to the minimum, to the top or to the bottom. So the distance that we have here is 1.2 meters. This is this distance, 1.2 meters. What is happening? That there is another thing, that it's the view depth, that as you can see is located with no offset at linked to the foundation. So what is happening? That this view depth is right here. It's at the same position of the foundation. So the view, our foundation view, is providing to us the view from this cutting plane to the view depth. What is happening? That my foundation is right here, is under it. So what I need to do is, don't worry, move this view depth to infinity 1. I will place this, it will pass from this to this, and I will be able to see in my view plane from this to the bottom of the infrastructure, and I will be able to see this foundation. So let's try to do this movement. I will click in the view depth, unlimited, and I will apply. And okay, and now I can see my foundation pile. As you can see, I recommend to change the parameters of the view to shaded in order to give color to the elements. So as you can see, now I can see in my 3D, I will put this in shaded also, and in my foundation plan. Now, if I want to place different foundation in every single intersection, I am just going to copy, shortcut CO, or just clicking in one element. I can go to the modify properties, and I have here the copy, CO, shortcut, as you can see here. I will click on it, CO, and I select. I will click in constraint and multiple. Because of this, I can copy every single element in a faster way. I will select all of them, all the elements, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and see, oh, copy here, copy here, copy here. And what happens if I need to move or to rotate the elements? I don't need to apply another function that is, for instance, rotate. I can just click in the spacebar, and as you can see, the elements is moving according the direction of the wheels. So depending of your design or depending of your project, you can define the foundation as you want. Another interesting shortcut is the WT zeta A, that is going to divide all the views that you have in the top part. As you can see, let's imagine that I have the foundation level, the 3D, and the north, for instance, and I want to see all the views in my screen. WT and zeta A to see all the elements in a center position of the view. So now we can see that all the foundations have been placed according to the intersection of the different wheels. So that's all for this video. Hope that will be interesting for you, and see you in the next one. Thanks for your attention. This video and this mock is part of the project Digital Twins Infrastructure and Cities. You can find more information through this link and through this QR. Thank you very much for your time.